Hi, I'm Chef Mike and welcome to Fry's Culinary 411. Today it's standing rib roast. Now I know what you're going to think, but no, it's very simple. So let's make one. The rub starts with prepared horseradish. For best results, place it on a paper towel, fold over and push out the liquid. We'll place it in our mixing bowl. Now to prep the rosemary, we'll pull them backwards off the stems, place them on our cutting board. Then we'll give them a rolling chop. And we'll add this to the horseradish. Now let's add some salt, some fresh cracked pepper, and our private selection olive oil. Now if you like garlic, it's not really in the recipe, but you can add some. I like to squeeze garlic over in the produce department. We'll just give it a little squeeze here. And we'll bring it together with a spoon. Now our rub looks a little bit on the dry side, so let's add a little bit more oil. And it should be the consistency of a nice paste. Wow, that really smells good. We're going to take the rub and place it all over the top and sides and even the bottom of the roast. Now you'll notice I have the bones on the bottom of the roast and the fat cap on the top. And what will happen is the fat will melt during cooking and carry this great flavor of the crust right through the middle of the roast. Now I preheated my oven to 500 degrees. We'll place in our roast and we'll bake at this temperature for 20 minutes. Then reduce the heat to 200 degrees and we'll start timing at this point 20 minutes per pound. Our goal is to have an internal temperature of 130 degrees for a beautiful medium rare. Boy, the whole house smells fantastic. Now make sure you let your roast rest for at least 20 minutes, 30 is even better. It's a great time for us to go ahead and make our au jus. And we're going to preheat our pan over a medium-high heat for 1 minute. Now let's go ahead and peel a shallot and we'll give it a fine dice. Now let's add some oil to the pan and we'll add our shallots. Now we'll saute the shallots for only about 1 minute, don't let them burn, and we'll add 1 can of beef broth. Now we'll simmer for about 2 minutes and we're ready to go. And we're going to start the carving by removing the rib bones. Stand it up on its end and we're going to bring the knife in behind the bones and slice downwards in a sawing motion.